Okay, I think it's fine now. Just a minute, friends. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, all right, good evening again. Okay, welcome to Maths IPE classes by NEET World. Now we will be doing what? Maths 2A, and the topic that we will be dealing with permutation and combination, from where two questions will come from SAQs. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, okay, I'm audible. Right, good evening again. Okay, fine. Let us continue our discussion on SAQs pertaining to permutation and combination. From here we are getting two SAQs. Okay, two SAQs. Okay, out of which 4 plus 4, there will be 8 marks worth. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8 marks worth will be coming from 8 marks will be coming from permutation and combination. Marks of worth 8. Okay, 8 marks will be coming from permutation and combination, 2 SAQs. So this is highly important that we study this topic correctly. Okay, so we'll be doing it in two parts so that we cover all the questions in a comprehensive way. So permutation and combination. So look at this. Already we have done with complex numbers and quadratic expressions. Now we will do permutation and combination. All the important questions will be dealing now. Yes, this is it. So permutation and combination, see here. Okay, before this let us do some questions in some proper order so that you understand the concept and build over it. Okay, right. So let us move to some other question. Look at this. This is the question that I wanted to solve first. Look at this. What they are telling? They are telling that if the letters of the word master, not master movie, master are permuted in all possible ways, and the words thus formed are arranged in a dictionary order. Okay, find the rank of the words remaster and master. Find the rank of the words remaster and master. So let us take up this. Okay, we have to find the rank of this. The question, what is the question given is, what is it? First is remaster, or let me take it first. Let me take it as master. Then I will take remaster. Okay, then I will take remaster. We have to find rank of this in when it is arranged in all possible ways. Okay, so it is very simple logic, but you have to focus here, then only you will understand. So solution. Okay, solution. Okay, solution is what? First let us take master. Okay, solution. See, first master is given, correct na? So okay, number of letters is what? Number of letters is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters. Alphabetical order. Alphabetical, dictionary order means it is nothing but alphabetical order. In dictionary also words will be in alphabetical order, right? Okay, their meaning. Okay, alphabetical order is given as what? First what should come? A. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, after A what should come? Here E should come. A, E. Okay, then what should come? E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Okay, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, S, T, Q, R, S, T. Q, R, S, T, right? So Q, R, S, T. So this is the alphabetical order, very important. You should know this order. Alphabetical order is given. Now look at this. Now we have to arrange these letters, correct? Now master we have to arrange. Now starting from A, from alphabetical order if we start. Okay, if we start from A. Okay, now how many letters are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now remaining are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these 5 can be arranged in how many ways? Apart from A, you have to start with A because alphabetical order. So remaining letters E, M, R, S, T can occupy any of this position. They can be arranged in how many ways? They can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. So they can write it as 5 factorial. Next letter is what? E. Okay, E. After E, what are the letters? A, M, R, S, T. So there are 5 other letters. Okay, they can be arranged in how many ways? 5 factorial ways. Now look at this, M. Okay, M is the letter we want because master. Okay, after master, after M. Okay, what is that we have? So M is there here. Okay, after M, if I start with alphabetical order, if I start with alphabetical order, I am having what? I am having A. Okay, I am having A. So once I get the word I wanted here, okay, then I should start from beginning again. So m I got, so fix it, fix m here. So some start from beginning. Okay, beginning means first I will have what? A. So is it matching with the question? ma is there, here also ma is there, so fine. So fix it here, ma is fixed here. Now what is that we have? Now what is that we have? ma is fixed, then what we have? E. Okay, after ma e is there. Okay, after ma e is there. Now what is that we have? m is fixed. Okay, m is fixed and also a is fixed, and also a is fixed. Now e is there. Apart from e, what are the letters that we have? What are the letters that we have? 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So this is what? This can be written in 3 factorial ways. Now see here, now ma is fixed. After e, okay, what is the letter that we have? R. Okay, R is there here? No, first S should come, then R should come. Okay, then what I should write here? Okay, after R what is there? Okay, after R how many letters are there? 1 2 3. This can be arranged in how many ways? 3 factorial ways. Now ma is fixed. After R what is the letter that we have? Okay, S is there. So S is there. Definitely ma S is there, here also ma S is there. So let us fix this. Okay, ma S is there. So this is fixed. Now let us start from the beginning. So S is fixed means I should remove S here. Okay, now let us start from the beginning. So here what is the word that we have? In the alphabetical order we are having E. We are having E. So this is what we have, E. Then remaining letters are what? 1 2. Okay, 1 2. This can be arranged in what? 2 factorial ways. 2 factorial ways. Then what we have? ma S. Okay, after E what is there? Okay, after E what is there, friends? After E what is there here in the alphabetical order? R is there. So this can be arranged in, remaining 2 can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Now see here. Okay, ma S. After R what is there? Here T is there. ma S T is there. Correct na? ma S T is there. So here also ma S T is there. So it is fixed. So we can fix this. Okay, ma S T, this is fixed. So T you can remove. Now remaining letter is what? E. Okay, I can write E here. I can write E here. After E one space is there. Okay, in that space what I can write? I can write R. Correct na? In that space I can write R. So this is also fixed. So we got the word that is required, that is master. This I can write it in 1 factorial ways. Now how many ways? It is nothing but what? 5 factorial is what? 120. This is 120. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, what about this? 3 factorial is 3 into 2 is 6. 2 factorial is 2. 2 factorial is 2. And 1 factorial is 1. Now if I add this, 120 plus 120 is what? 240. 240 plus this is what? 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 17. Okay, 17. Okay, what will we get? See, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is, what is that we have? Let us write it. So rank is what? Rank if I talk about rank is equal to, what is that? We have 240 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. So that is what? 240 plus, what is it? 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. That is rank is given by, for first one rank is given by 257. 257 friends. This is the right answer. Master they asked multiple times. Okay, you can see in the question they asked it multiple times. So rank is what? 257. So in the exam if you get it wrong, you have to go back and check it, because you have to please remember. Okay, they asked multiple times master and remaster. So master is what? 257. Master is what, friends? 257. Clear? Master is what? 257. So next thing is what? Remaster. So we have to do the same thing for remaster. Now given letter is what? Now second thing. The given letter is what? Remaster. Remaster. What we should do? We have to find the rank of this. Okay. Here what is the number of letters? Number of letters you have to write it. Number of letters. Number of letters is what, friends? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also it is same. Alphabetical order we have to write. Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. It is the same as the previous one. Alphabetical order is same as previous one. Alphabetical order. Okay. Alphabetical order is what? A. Okay. E. M. Okay. Q R S T. M R A M R R R S T. This is what we have. This is what we have, friends. A M R S T. This is what we have. Now let us start with the first letter. Okay. Now this is what we have to write the reasons. So let us write all these things. You have to write it. Okay. We should not skip it. So A we have to start. If we start with A, how many possibilities? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is 5 factorial ways. If I start with next is what? E, that is 1 2 3 4 5. This is also 5 factorial ways. So remaster means I should start with R, but M is here. M means what? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 factorial ways. So remaster means R. I should start with R. Okay. R, what is it? Definitely R is the first letter. Here also R we got. So definitely I can fix this. Now I should start from beginning. If I start from beginning, what I am having? A. Okay. After A, how many letters are there? 1 2 3. So R, if I fix it, R I should remove. Okay. R I should remove. So A I have fixed it. Remaining how many are there? 1 2 3 4. Okay. 1 2 3 4. So this is what? 4 factorial ways. Okay, so after R, this is what, after A what is there, E is there. So E also I can fix because remasked means E I want. So E also I can fix, remove E. Okay, remasked. Okay, from beginning I should start, this will be A. Okay, remaining are how many, 1 2 3. Okay, remaining are how many. Okay, if E I take it, if I take A, remaining are how many, what is that I have, M S T, that is 3 factorial ways. That is what, 3 factorial ways we have. Next, R E is fixed. Okay, R E is fixed. Okay, after A what I should write, M. So remasked, M will come, REM REM will come. So it is also fixed. It is also fixed. So I should start from the beginning. If I start from the beginning, what I am having? I am having A. So I can fix this because in remasked A will come. Okay, after M A will come. This is also fixed. Now M is removed, A is removed. Now what I am having? I should start from the beginning. If I start from the beginning, I am having S. So this is also fixed. Okay, then remaining is T. This is also fixed, remasked. So this is what, 1 factorial, that is one way. Now rank, I can write it, rank is nothing but what, rank is nothing but 5 factorial is 120 plus 120 plus 120, this is 4 factorial. 4 factorial is what, 24, this is 6, this is 1. So rank is nothing but equal to 120 plus 120 plus 120 is 360 friends. 360 plus 24 plus 6 plus 1. So rank of remasked is given by 360 plus 24 is 30. Okay, plus 30 plus 1. So that is what, rank is given by how much? Rank is given by 391. Okay, the rank of remasked is given by what friends? 391. Clear? This is how you have to solve this question. This is how you have to solve this question friends. This is how you have to solve this question. Clear? Now let us move to the next question friends. Similar question they will ask. Similar question they have asked for M set. Okay, they can ask, now it is changed, they can ask EAP set also they can ask. Okay, now let us solve M set. One more thing is, one more word they have asked in the examination, that is prison. Okay, so first they will ask is what, M set. They have asked the question M set. The second question, the question that they have asked is M set, rank of M set. They are asking rank of M set when it is permuted in all possible ways. AMCET. Okay, in the dictionary order, after arranging it in dictionary order, same question, but I am using the word M set. They have asked it in the previous year. Okay, here what we are having, number of letters we have to write it. Number of letters is what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 here also. Okay, alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order we have to write it. So alphabetical order is what, A E E, again double E, 2 E's. Okay, A E E M. Okay, actually C is there na, A C, it should be A comma C comma, what is it, double E. Okay, double E. Okay, then what we are having, A C double E, what we are having, M and T. Okay, M and T. Now let us start the what, arrangement. Let us start the arrangement. Now if I write it here, A, if I start with A, how many letters are there remaining? 5. 1 2 3 4 5. But should I write 5 factorial here? Yes, because there are 5 spaces, I should write 5 factorial. But one thing is, this E can be arranged in any of the 2 ways. So I should write what here, 2 factorial, because repetition of E is there. Now let us start with C. Okay, so here also 1 2 3 4 5, I should write what, 5 factorial by 2 factorial, because there are 2 E's. Okay, if there are 3 E's, I should write what, 5 factorial by 3 factorial. Now we will start with E. Okay, we will start with E. If we start with E, definitely we can fix C, because M set it is starting with E. Okay, I can fix this E. Okay, I can fix this E. So what I can do, this one E I can remove. Okay, then if I fix this, I should start from beginning. If I start from beginning, I will start with A. Okay, I can fix this A also. So A is gone. Now if I start with EA, now A is gone. Now I should start from beginning with the, what is that, alphabetical order. So C will come here. So C, it is followed by, what is it, 3 spaces, 1 2 3. They should be arranged in 3 factorial ways. It should not be 3 by 2 factorial, 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Why? Because already E, one of the E is fixed. Now we are having only one E. Okay, only one E. Now EA is fixed. Now what is left? C we started, now we have to start with E. Okay, what is left? Now 3 factorials. What is 3 spaces? Again 3 factorial will come. Now after E, what is there? After E, what is there here? M is there. Now I can write what? E A M. Okay, I can fix M, because M set M, I can fix it here. So this will become what? M I can fix. Okay, now I should start from the beginning, correct? I should start from the beginning. So start from the beginning, I will get C. Okay, then I will get what? C I can fix, because M set C is there. E I can fix, E is there here. Okay, then what I can fix? T, I can fix T finally. Okay, so this will become what? One way. This will become what? One way. 5 factorial by 2 factorial. 5 factorial is what? 120. 120 by 2 is 60. This is 60. This is also 60. This is 3 2s are 6. This is 3 2s are 6. And this is what, friend? This is 1. So rank is equal to what? Rank is equal to 60 plus 60 is 120. 120 plus 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, 12 plus 1. So rank is equal to what, friend? Rank of MSET is 133. This is how you got to solve this question. Please remember, for MSET what is the answer? Okay, for what is it? Master it is 157. For rematch it is 391. For MSET it is 133. Do it for EAP set and put it in the comment section. Okay, next let us go to the next question. So they asked for prison. Look at this question. They asked for prison. Third question, see here, they asked for prison. They asked for prison also. See here, prison. So let us solve for prison now. Okay, prison. For prison we have to find the rank of prison. Okay, third question is rank of prison. Okay friends, we have to find what? Rank of prison. Okay, we have to find rank of prison. Now see here, number of letters is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so alphabetical order we got to write it. Alphabetical order is what here? Okay, so first what will come? I will come. I J K L M N I N. Okay, I N O. Okay, I J K L M N O. Okay, O P Q R. Okay, 1 2 3 Q R S T. That's all, 6 letters. Okay, this is what we have. No repetition, no word is no letter is repeating. Now let us start with this one. So if we start with I, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, remaining are 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So I can write this in 5 factorial base. Okay, then if I start with N, so I can write this in what? 1 2 3 4 5. I can write it in 5 factorial base. If I start with O, I can write the remaining in 1 2 3 4 5. I can write it in 5 factorial base. If I start with P, okay, if I start with P, I can fix P. Okay, if I fix P, I should start from the beginning. So it will become what? It will become I. Okay, so I is not the thing I want, because prison means I should start with, next should be R. So this remaining is what? 1 2 3 4. Okay, this I can write it in what? 4 factorial base. Now see here, I is done. Next Pn. Okay, Pn. P is fixed. Okay, P is fixed. N means remaining are what? Remaining is 1 2 3 4 factorial base. Now N is gone. Po. Okay, Po. That is not what we have. So we have to write it as what? 4 factorial base. Okay, P is fixed. Next, P is fixed means P you have to remove. Next, PR. Okay, now we will get what? PR. So PR if I get, okay, PR if I get, I can fix this. R I can remove. Okay, then I can start from the beginning. So I will be here. So I will be here. So I can fix it, because present start with PRI. So I can fix it. Now I have to start with beginning. So N is there here. So it is, you cannot fix this. How many are there? 1 2 3 4. Remaining 2 are there. Okay, N is there means remaining 2 are there. I can write it in 2 factorial base. Now PRI. Okay, N is gone means remaining is what? Remaining is O. Okay, remaining is O. Okay, if I write O, remaining 2, I have to fix it like this, 2 factorial. Now PRI, after O what is there? S is there. Okay, S I can write it like this. Okay, S I can write it like this. So I can fix it here. S is fixed. Now to start from the beginning. If I start from the beginning, I am having N. Okay, I am having N 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5. Remaining is 1. 1 space I can write it in 1 factorial base. Now PRI, yes. After N what I am having? After N I am having O. So I can fix O here. So O I can remove. Next what is there? If I start from the beginning, I am having N. So I can remove N. So this will become what, friends? This will become one way. Now this is the way we got the value. Okay, now let us write the rank. Rank we have to write it. So see here, rank, before writing rank, let us write it here. 5 factorial is 120, 120, 120. 4 factorial is 24. Okay, this is 24, this is 24, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1, and this is 1. Now what we are having? 120 plus 120 plus 120 is 360. 24 plus 24 plus 24 is 72. Okay, 72. 72 plus 2 is 74. 76, 77, 78. Okay, 78. So 360 plus 78. So that is what, friends? 438. So rank is what? 438. Let me check once. So rank is 438. So see here, what is the rank here? 438, that is absolutely the correct value, we got it here. Okay, that is absolutely the correct value, we got it here. So rank of prison is what? 438, friends. This is how you got to solve this question, friends. Clear? Let us move to the next one. Enough of this type, let us move to the next type of question. Okay, all right. Okay, let us look at the 7th question. What they have given? They were given that. Okay, let me take up the question. This is the 7th question. Let me take up the question. What they have given? They have given simplify. Okay, they have given that simplify. What is it? Simplify 34C5 plus summation r running from 0 to 4, 38 minus r C4. This is what they are telling. Okay, this is what they are telling. Now let us write this. Now given what is given, let us write this. So solution. Okay, solution. See here. What is given? Let us write it. Solution 34C5 plus summation of, what is it? Summation of, let us write it as given. 34C5 plus summation of r running from 0 to 4. What is it? 38 minus r C4. This is what I have given. Okay, this implies I can write this as what? 34C5 plus, if I put r is equal to 0, I'll have what? I'll have 38 minus 0, 38 C4. If I put r is equal to 1, I'll have what? Plus 37 C4. If I put r is equal to 2, I'll have what? 36 C4. If I put r is equal to 3, I'll have what? I'll have 35 C4. Okay, if I put r is equal to 4, I'll have what? 34 C4. Okay, 34 C4. Now consider this one. Now consider this and this. Now consider this and this. Okay, now we can write what? We can write, okay, we know that NCR plus NCR minus 1, this one, what result? Very important result you should know. Okay, r minus 1 is equal to n plus 1, it is equal to what? N plus 1 CR. Okay, n plus 1 CR. Let us write this as equation 1. Okay, let us write this as equation 2. Okay, let us write this as equation 1, let us be equation 2. Now I will write this as what? This implies 34, I can write this as what? I can write this as 34 C4, I will write this first, then 34 C5 plus 30, what is this? 35, I will write it in proper order, 35 C4, 36 C4, okay, 37 C4, 38 C4, this is what I have. Now see here, 34 C4 plus 34 C5, NCR, okay, NCR plus NCR minus 1, I can write it as what? N plus 1 C4, N plus 1, this is what? I should write it as NCR, this is R, N plus 1 CR, N plus 1 CR, N plus 1 CR, N plus 1 CR means this will become what, friends? N plus 1 CR means this will become what? This will become equal to 35 C5, okay, 35 C5, here R is 5, here 5 minus 1, 35 C5, okay, this I can write it as what? 35 C5 plus 35 C4 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4, okay, therefore what I should write here? Using 2, the result 2. Now look at this 2, again I can apply using 2, okay, 35 C5 plus 35 C4, this is R minus 1, so this will become what? 36 C5 plus 36 C4 plus 37 C4 plus 38 C4, therefore again I should write what? Therefore using 2, this is the result I should write, okay, therefore using 2, this is the result I should be writing here. Now look at this, if I apply for this again, what I can apply? The result 36 C5 plus 36 C4, here R is 5, R minus 1, so this will become what? N plus 1 CR, N is what? 36, 37, R is what? 5, okay, 37 C5, okay, this is what? 37 C4 plus 38 C4, therefore using what? Therefore using again result 2, you have to write this everywhere, okay, therefore using 2. Now 37 C5, 37 C4, again see here, R is 5, R minus 1, NCR minus 1, this is N plus 1 CR, that is N plus 1 is what? 37 plus 1, that is 38, that is 38 C here, that is a 38 C here, R is what 5, okay, 38 C5, 38 C4, therefore again using 2. Now see this 38 C5, 38 C4, here R is 5, here R minus 1 is 4, okay, N is what 38, okay, this should become what 39, N plus 1, that is 39 C5, that is what, therefore that is 39 C5, therefore using equation 2, or result 2. So the answer is what, friends? 39 C5. This is the answer, friends. Clear? This is the final answer to this question. 39 C5 is the final answer to this question. Clear? This is how we have to solve this question. Let us verify. Yeah, see here. Here also it is 39 C5. Here also we are getting what? We are getting it as 39 C5. Clear? Here also we are getting it as 39 C5. Okay. What is the other question similar to this one? Okay, 11th question. Let us go to the 11th question similar to this one. Okay, see here. All right, see here. Look at this. 25 C4 plus summation of P running from 0.10 to 1, okay, 0.1 to 4, 29 minus R C3 is equal to 30 C4. Let me write the question clearly. This also they asked multiple times. Let us solve this question. So they are asking prove that. We have to prove that. Okay, we have to prove this one. So what is this question that is given? So here the question that is given is, see here, the question that is given is 25 C4 plus what is this, summation of P running from 1 to 4, 29 minus R C3 is equal to, I have to prove it as what, is equal to 30 C4, we have to prove it, 30 C4 we have to prove it, okay, this is we have to prove it, okay. So let us take LHS. So solution, see here, same thing like the previous question, same concept. So LHS, given LHS is equal to what? LHS is equal to 25 C4 plus summation of P running from 1 to 4, 29 minus R C3, okay. This implies that, or I can write it as equal, that is equal to, on expanding we will get it as what, 25 C4, P running from 1 to 4 means I should write it as what, or this should be R, I think, R running from 1 to 4, okay, this should be R running from 1 to 4, okay. So this will become what, 29 minus what is R running from 1 or 0? Is R running from 0, it is R running from 0, okay, it is R running from 0, okay. This will become what, R running from 0 means this will become, what is it, it will become 29 minus 0 is 29 C3, okay, it will become what, 29 C3, if this will become 28 C3, this will become what, 27 C3, okay, 27 C3, okay, this will become what, 26 C3, okay, 26 C3, and this will become what, 25 C3, okay, 25 C3, and this one, this first value I'll write it here, I'll write this here, let me erase this, I'll write this first value, that is plus 25 C4, that is given, I'll write it here, plus 25 C4, I'll write it here. Now what I'll use, the result, okay. So let me write it here, we know that NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR, okay. Let this be equation 1, or result 1, let this be 1, okay. So here I can apply what, that, see 25 C3, 25 C4, that is NCR minus 1, so this I can write it as what, see, I can write this as 29 C3 plus 28 C3 plus 27 C3 plus 26 C3, see this I can write it as what, 25 plus 1, 26 26 C4, 26 C4 I can apply. Therefore what I can write as, therefore using 1, therefore using 1 I can write it. Now again look at this, what is this? Look at this, this is what, see here, 26 C3 is 26 C4, that is NCR minus 1, R is 4 here, R minus 1 is 3, so N is what, 26, N plus 1, that is, it will become what friends, see here, observe carefully, it will become 29 C3 plus 28 C3 plus this is 27 C3, this will become what, N plus 1 means this is 27 C4, okay, therefore again using what, therefore using 1, result 1. Now look at these two, now what we are having, 27 C3 and 27 C4, correct. So R is 4 and this is 3 is R minus 1, this N is 27, so this would become what friends, this would become 29 C3, let us write it as it is, 28 C3, this is N plus 1 means 27 plus 1 is 28 C4, therefore using 1, result 1. Now let us take up this, look at this one, 28 C3, 28 C4, let us apply again, so this will become what, this will become 29 C3 plus 28 plus 1, that is 29 C4, therefore using 1, result 1, okay. This then that is equal to, or let me take up, so see here, this I can take it here, see, so see here 29 C3 plus 29 C4, that is NCR plus NCR minus 1, this will become what, N plus 1 CR, that is N plus 1 is what, this will become 30 C4, this will become what, 30 C4, that is what we wanted, that is nothing but equal to RHS, so you should write here also reason, therefore using 1, okay, here you should write what, hence proved, what is it, hence proved, okay, using only one result you are able to solve this question. Clear friends, got it? This is how you got to solve this question, friends. Let us move to the next question. Okay. Okay, let us solve this question, 8th question. Observe this. Just one more question and then we'll wind up and we'll be doing it in the next class, the remaining questions. Okay, look at this question, very important, these questions. This has been asked multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times this has been asked. Find number of ways of selecting a cricket team of 11 players from 7 batsmen and 6 bowlers such that there will be at least 5 bowlers in the team. Okay, you have to write the wordings, all these things you can write it. Now let me solve the question. Okay, now let me solve the question, solution. Okay, solution. So first they are asking what, there should be a cricket team of 11 players. 11 players should be there. Okay, and there are how many batsmen? 7 batsmen are there. 7 batsmen, 6 bowlers. Okay, 6 bowlers. Okay, there should be at least how many bowlers? At least how many bowlers they are telling? There should be at least 5 bowlers in the team. At least 5 bowlers in the team. At least 5 bowlers. At least 5 bowlers they are telling. At least 5 bowlers they are telling. Now 11 players should be the team. So the possible combinations are, see here, the possible combinations are, so see here, for 11 players we can write what, first thing is what, we can write it as, we can have 5 batsmen, 6 bowlers, 5 batsmen, 6 bowlers. Second option is what friends? Second option is 5 batsmen, 6 bowlers. At least 5 bowlers means this one. Next 6 batsmen. Okay, 6 batsmen, 5 bowlers. 6 batsmen, 5 bowlers. Okay, and there is no possibilities having 7 bowlers because there are only 6 bowlers. So there are only 2 possibilities. Here. Okay, there are only 2 possibilities here. Now the number of ways of selecting. Okay, the number of ways of selecting 5 batsmen from, you have to write the reason. Okay, you have to write it in words. The number of ways of selecting 5 batsmen from 7 batsmen and the number of ways of selecting 6 bowlers from 6 bowlers. Then the number of ways of selecting 6 bowlers, 6 batsmen from 7 batsmen. The number of ways of selecting 5 bowlers from 6 bowlers. All these things we should write it. So this will become what? This will become equal to, okay, this will become equal to what? You have to write down all those things. Okay, so this will become what, friends? 5 batsmen from this one, 5 batsmen from 7, that will be what? 7C5. Okay, this will be bowlers. 6 bowlers from what? 6 bowlers from 6, 6C6. Okay, this was what? Plus, you should add this. Okay, this will be what? I am writing it like this, but in the examination write it properly like this. This one, let this be 1 and let this be 2. Add 1 and 2 to get the required combinations, required number of possibilities. So this will be what? 6 batsmen, 6, that is 7C6 into what is this? 5 bowlers. 5 bowlers from where? Okay, out of 6 bowlers you are selecting 5 bowlers, 6C5. Now see here, 7C5. 7C5 means I can write it as what? 7 into 6 divided by what is it? 7 into 6 divided by 2. Okay, into what is this? 6C6. NCN is what? 1. This is 1. So this will be what? 7 2 1s are 2 3s are. What I'll have? Okay, 2 1s are 2 3s are. What I'll be having, friends? Okay, 7 3s are 21. 6C6 contain 5 bowlers. This will be what? This will be 7 3s are 21. I will be having 21. Now look at this 7C6. 7C6 means what I should write? 7C6 means I can write it as just 7. Okay, into 6C5. 6C5 means I can write it as what? Just 6. 7 6 is 42. 7 6 is 42. So number of ways is what? Number of ways is what is it? What is it? 21 plus 42, that is nothing but equal to what? 63. This is the final answer, friends. Clear? This is how you have to solve this question. This is the number of ways of selecting what? At least 5 bowlers are there, means it is what? The answer is what? Okay, 21 plus 42, the answer is what? 63. Clear, friends? With this I will wind up. Okay, have a great day, have a great evening, and please keep repeating the class and keep revising the questions that we have done. Solve it 2 to 3 times each and every question, so that you will have that confidence before you go to the examination. Thank you. Take care.